I came to the seafood market near my house to shop. Then would you like to take a look with me? There are conch and scallops. Wow, there are so many different types of shellfish. I will buy some mussels and some shrimp.
이 새우는 어디서 온 새우예요? 새우요? 오징어는 어떻게 해요?
두 마리 만 원이에요.
얘는 어디서 왔어요?
얘는 국산이에요.
아, 국산이에요? 두 마리 만 원이요? 두 마리 큰 거로 두 마리.
See you in a little while. Step 1. Trim ingredients. Cut the napa cabbage diagonally. If you don't have a napa cabbage, you can skip it. When washing bok choy, wash it under running water. Cut off the head of the washed bok choy and cut it in half again. If you don't have napa cabbage or bok choy at home, you can use cabbage. Cut half the onion into a suitable size. Cut one mushroom into 4 pieces. If you don't have mushrooms, you can skip it. You can use your favorite vegetables or vegetables you have in the refrigerator. Cut the white part of leek in half. Cut it in half. And cut it into around 2 centimeters. Cut the green part of the leek in half and cut it thick chunks. If you don't have leek, you can use green onions. Slice the garlic into thin pieces. If you have ginger, mince a little. If not, you can skip it. The vegetables ingredients are all ready. I will use only the body part of the squid. You can use the squid in its skin or you can use it after removing the skin. Today, I will remove its skin. I will put a slight diagonal cut on the squid surface. Lay the knife at an angle and put a slight cut. Cut it in half. Then cut the other side into 3 centimeters pieces. If this process is inconvenient, you can just cut it into a suitable size. This way the squid will look pretty when it's cooked. I will trim the shrimp. Remove the head of the shrimp like this. Peel off the skin, leaving only the tail. And cut only a small part of the back. On the back, there is the shrimp intestine. It is this thin, long, and dark strand. Please remove the intestine. These are shrimps that have been trimmed in advance. The mussels will also wash it with water beforehand. Seafood ingredients for jjamppong are ready. Step 2. Stir-fry ingredients. Put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Add the sliced garlic and stir-fry. Jjamppong will be delicious if you add a bit more garlic. Add a little bit of chopped ginger. Also add leek. Add the onion. Stir a little. Put the bok choy stem part as well. Also add napa cabbage. Stir a little. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and continue to stir fry. And add 2 tablespoons of red pepper powder. Stir fry the vegetables and red pepper powder well together. Step 3. Boil. Add 5 cups of water and boil well. When the jjamppong soup starts to boil, add the seafood as well. After adding the seafood, boil the noodles at the same time. For noodles, you can use udon noodles. You can buy this kind of noodles at a Korean grocery store. Boil the noodles for 5 to 6 minutes. While the noodles are boiling, add the green leaves of bok choy and mushrooms. And add 1 tablespoon of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use fish sauce. Finally, you can season with 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a very delicious jjampong soup. 5 minutes later, the noodles are well boiled. Remove the boiled noodles from the pot with a strainer. Soak it in cold water once and then take it out and drain it. This makes the noodles a little firmer. If you put the bowl of jjampong soup in the noodles, very delicious jjampong soup is done. Let me try the soup. So refreshing. Let me try noodles. The noodles have a great texture. Let me have a bite of shrimp. It tastes very fresh and plump. It looks like a great dish to have when it's cold outside because it warms your body.